So another window type that we can create is the projected window, and I've created one in the viewport here in a similar manner to the way I've created all the other windows. Come across the modify panel, and just taking a quick look at the parameters, we can see that we have the normal height, width and depth, frame, glazing, rail and panel parameters, but we also have the ability to set our openings. So you can see how this opens the two lower panels. If we come up to the rails and panels area here, we can increase the number of width panels. We can adjust the width of those panels there, and also I can adjust the height of the middle panel, and I can adjust the height of the bottom panel as well, and you can see these slide up and down inside the main frame. So I can create this sort of interesting projected window model in my scene.